Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and on today's episode I'm gonna be taking you all out to a really interesting and beautiful place to hang out if you ever happen to be in the city of Huizhou. So I mean, it's near the coast, you know, there's seawater, there's like places you can have some snacks and all the good stuff. So stay tuned. So, isn't it beautiful? So you might actually be wondering if this is like a beach. It's not really a beach, but if you look far to the end there, you can see there are people there picking up shells and stuff, but it's not really allowed. But you know, no one is really gonna stop you, right? So over here, it's a long ass road. So if you want to like explore the entire place, you gotta rent one of these. What these people are in is a lot easier. It runs on batteries. You pay I think from 50 to 100 depending on the kind that you want, and then you can rent one of them, and then you can just ride around. You know, there's so many things you can do here. Back there and even in front of us, there are a lot of things that you can do. You know, maybe get some snacks, just chill by the water, pick up some shells, you know, stuff like that. So it is a pretty good place to chill and to, you know, just cool off. So if you're ever here in Guangdong, specifically in Huizhou, you should definitely pass by. So this place is actually called Greenway in English, but in Chinese it's called Liu Dao. So that means Greenway translation, right? But if you want to find it, you gotta ask around or use the Didi app. That is like the equivalent of Uber, right? So you can type that in and then it can bring you here. It's really fun. It is quite a lot busier than I thought because it's the weekend, so it's a lot busier. So even if you look around, you can see how packed it is at the moment. Yeah, but if you're the type that you don't want to see too many people, you might as well just pick like the weekdays. That's a lot easier because with that one, there's no one, you know, there are not a lot of people around to, you know, cause this traffic. So yeah. Alright, so I did also get one for myself because you cannot walk like the entire way. So I'm gonna show you my Audi right here. So right here, this one is my Audi. This is an SUV that I got recently, very expensive, but what can I say? I'm built like that. Alright, so I'm gonna go on ahead and vlog more for you guys to see the environment and see what you're getting if you come here.
是你是喝的还是要这种？
在这种
25一个，
25啊，可以啊，
要几个？
两个。So you can see we're getting a refreshing drink, coconut. It's already been peeled and it's being chilled in a mini fridge-ish thing. So he's gonna open them and I'm gonna enjoy the fresh drink. I hope it's delicious. So the reason why he's peeling it like that is because he's trying to like get it with the food in it or the chaff in it, the white stuff, so that I can enjoy them, you know. So you can see he's already taken some out here. So these are samples right here. Took them out. So that's the same thing he's trying to do so we can comfortably enjoy coconut. You know what I'm saying? So it's very hot outside today. You can see there are a lot of snack markets or snack stands. It's in Chinese it's called 小吃. That means snacks you could get off of the streets. So many different things from fruits to barbecue to anything you can think of. Yeah, so you see the packaging? Hold on. I gotta rip this open. Taste it if it's good or not. It stinks like that. Okay, so there we go. It's actually good and chilled and refreshing. So basically the gate that you see in front of me is the border between Shenzhen and Huizhou. So on this side that I am at, I am in Huizhou, and then the people you see walking through the gate are coming from Shenzhen. It's weird, but yeah, these are facts. Now this part of Greenway was not opened to the public because I think I've been here a couple of times in the previous years, and this part was not accessible to the public, so you wouldn't be able to come to the side. But I think now it's open and it stretches like it's really big if you think about it, right? So it is quite a great place to come with your friends. As you know, you can even have a picnic here because that side it has got like a place where you can camp, a place you can, you know, have a picnic. It has got all these things. So yeah, it is a great place to bring your friends, especially if you're like maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, the more the better. The only thing I noticed was there were too many people because it was a weekend. But I think besides that, it was a good day. You know, had some good coconut. Went near to the sea or the water. And that brings us to the end of our journey along this breathtaking coastal scenery. Whether you're here for a peaceful escape, to capture stunning views, or just to reconnect with nature, this spot has something for everyone. I hope you enjoyed exploring it with me as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and let me know in the comments where you'd like to go next. Until then, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.